Mountain hiking, a step-by-step journey. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, mountain hiking. We'll break down what it means, where it's used, and some interesting facts about it. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and discover the beauty of mountain hiking. Mountain hiking refers to the activity of walking in the mountains, typically on trails or paths. It's not just a physical activity but also an adventure in nature. The phrase combines mountain, which means a large natural elevation of the Earth's surface, and hiking, which is the act of walking for long distances, especially across country or in the woods. 1. Physical aspect. It involves walking, climbing, or trekking on mountains. 2. Equipment. Hikers often use special gear like boots, backpacks, and sometimes climbing equipment. 3. Preparation. Planning routes, checking weather conditions, and ensuring physical fitness are key. 4. Safety. Understanding the risks and knowing how to deal with emergencies is crucial. Mountain hiking isn't just physical. It's a way to connect with nature, enjoy scenic beauty, and experience different cultures. Many people hike for recreation, fitness, or to challenge themselves. It's a popular activity worldwide and often featured in travel and adventure literature. While hiking is enjoyable, it's important to discuss its environmental impact. Hikers are encouraged to follow principles like leave number trace to minimize their footprint. Conservation efforts ensure that these beautiful natural spaces are preserved for future generations. Thank you for joining us to explore mountain hiking. We hope this video has not only taught you about the phrase but also inspired you to appreciate the beauty and responsibility that come with this activity. Keep learning, stay curious, and maybe one day, you'll find yourself on a mountain trail, experiencing the joy of hiking firsthand.